Pharma operations are getting more complex. Manual processes are costing companies more time and money. Manual compliance, disconnected systems, endless documentation. Sound familiar? USM's AI platform changes everything. It centralizes compliance, automates workflows, and enables smarter, data-driven decisions, all without disrupting your team. The results? Achieve up to 80% fewer documentation errors. Automate 40% of compliance tasks. Boost production 30 to 50% faster. Cut costs 10 to 20%. It's 2026. Stop letting manual processes hold your pharma growth. Start scaling your pharma operations with USM's AI expertise. Schedule your AI strategy session and get your roadmap in just 30 days.